Hey, this is Holly from hollylynn.com. Thanks for joining me today in the creek. Oh, it's so beautiful. Actually, this is a very suburban / urban creek. Missouri has a lot to do by way of littering. Anyway, I'm picking up things as I go. I don't know if you can hear the birds behind me. But it's super happy. You can see them. Oh, actually, no, that's not they. Anyway, it makes me super happy to hear them. And to be sitting here. One of the things, oh, I am like right in the water. Drat. One of the things about Missouri that makes it so kind of difficult to farm agriculturally is we have a ton of shale. Like the walls over there, you can see. It's actually quite lovely to walk on, but the clay content is crazy. Anyway, I grabbed some shale and threw it down on this big rock that I'm sitting on in the middle of the creek. Oh, it makes me so happy, actually. Anyway, so what am I talking about today? Just being outdoors in the lovely Missouri weather. 70 degrees, December 26th, here in St. Louis. Should be 30. Anyway, there's a parking garage right over there. I've not interacted with anybody from there, so we'll see. I had some really good conversations today. I had a coaching client this morning, and one of my besties came over and we had tea together on my couch, and it was really great. Part of the loveliness of having people in your space, of course, is you have to clean. You don't have to, but I do. Power cleaned it, and it's really awesome just to have a friend to reflect back things on. I was telling her how embarrassing it is sometimes to be me, and yet at the same time I can't not be myself, although it's frustrating to embarrass myself the way I do sometimes. I don't know. You know, I'm that quirky woman, 40-year-old with like gray hair who goes wandering off to sit on a rock in a creek and take video. And then I say silly things to people and heartfelt, tender, emotional things to people, and sometimes I wish I could reel that part of me in a little bit and kind of grow up and like walking in the creek. I love it. I did it as a kid, and I hope I never stop doing it. And swimming in the creeks and rivers. You know, adults don't do that. I need a swimming buddy. If there's anybody here who's in Missouri who would like to swim in these seemingly unswimmable / wild waters with me, let me know. because I like to swim in places. In fact, really, actually every day, the past few days, I've been going to, really the past week, I've been going to parks, and it is everything I have not to like take off my shoes and jump in. I think I've said that before, actually, in a video. This morning I was staring over the water and just saying, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. And even this water here, it's not that deep, actually. Well, I don't know, you can't see it. But I just want to get in it. Anyway, so these are things sometimes that I wish I could tame or reel in or grow up a little bit. It embarrasses my kids sometimes, and it's okay. But if you could experience the world through the way I experience it, I think that you would want to jump in the water too. It's just so beautiful. Makes me teary just thinking about it. How beautiful it is. Okay. There really was no point other than to show you where I was sitting. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.